Floor's coming out today. Step 1, coffee. Coffee acquired. Step 3, need some pliers. Step 4, let's turn off the gas to the stove. Gas off. I almost forgot, I gotta turn off the water for the ice maker. Water's off. Alright, fridge is unplugged. Okay, next I gotta disconnect the dishwasher, which means I gotta go under the sink. Get to the shut off, which will close. Shut off is closed. I gotta disconnect the drain. Alright, now I gotta disconnect that connection for the hot water line. Alright, she's disconnected. Alright, I gotta take these two hold downs out from under the counter. Alright, those are out. Now to pull out the dishwasher. Oop, I almost forgot. I gotta disconnect the power, which I'm pretty sure is this one. Yeah. And then you just turn it around. See how it says on and off. And you can reinstall it. For my Whirlpool, I need a 1/4 inch and a 5/16 nut driver. First, I gotta take out these two 5/16 nuts. There's one on each corner. This whole cover will come off. Don't lose the screw. And next I gotta pull out this insulation and move this insulation out of the way. I need the 1/4 inch nut driver. Take the cover off of the electrical. Alright, we got the electrical. We'll disconnect those. Okay, now we're just going to slide this out the rest of the way. Alright, the dishwasher is out. Alright, time to pull out the range. Alright, let's disconnect that gas fitting. Alright, gas line disconnected.
Look what we just found underneath layers of floor. some brick linoleum. So this is the floor that we found under our floor. We have banged in all these little nails.
Or pull them out.
Or pulled them out. Like this section had a lot of raised ones, so we were able to pull all of that out. It's better looking than what we had, honestly. And now it's time for the underlayment. We had this kind of underlayment in the basement, so we used it as far as we could, which kind of did half of the kitchen. And as you can see, Gulliver is modeling half and half. This is a roll of other kind of underlayment.
That's Traffic Master.
Traffic Master underlayment. And so we finished, we just taped it on top. There is an adhesive to the roll, but we also taped it just in case too.
That's 7, right?
So we've opened 6 of the 7 boxes and lined them up according to pattern. These are pretty subtle differences, but this one definitely you could see a deeper veining in it. And we're going to try and figure out if we want it going horizontal or vertical, because our hardwood floor goes vertical. Nope. Our hardwood floor goes horizontal.
There's one. And that sits nice and flush now.
Oh, that's perfect. You don't even have to bang it in this time.
Yeah, it's not so crooked. Alright. Figure out this other notchy one. Paint the butt. Yeah.
Snug as a bug.
A little less than a quarter, but that'll work. Okay.
Row 1.
Row 1.
This little corner was giving us a bit of trouble. So instead of laying it like that, we decided to lay it like you do tile and start in the center of the room. So now we have 1 row done.
Yay.
Yay. So a little trick to getting these to click together perfectly so you're not just banging your head against a wall is to make it go in horizontally first. Click it in place.
Tilt it like that.
Tilt it. And then
slide the other one underneath. And you'll feel it. It'll be like perfect.
And then you just got to bang it down a little bit till it's level.
You can hear it click. And that's it.
Voila. We're getting there. Here is our vinyl plank flooring all installed with trim. And then Chris made some kicker boards for underneath that we painted black. And that completes the look. Here. What a difference.